to make sure you do hold on very
We're
tight.
on the Kilimanjaro Safari
Because it is going to be very fun. On our right hand side, we're going to have two dark brown eagles. There's one in the middle, there's another one at the end. Those are okapis. There's one. There's another one right here, which is a bit closer. These two are sad-wheel storks. Also on our left hand side in the middle, behind the big bushes, there are some more antelopes in there. They're a bit lighter in color than the ones that we saw. There she is. So those are pin-bagged pelicans. They get their name because they get a really cool pink coloration on their backs during mating season. They are also really great nesters. They like to nest together in groups between 20 and 500 pairs. And they have a wingspan from 7 around here on our left. Get to see some Nile crocodiles. We're gonna have a few in the water. We were just hanging out on the islands. Make sure that everybody keeps your seats here.
See that one? Yeah. I got it.
And spotted hyenas, they have a really bad reputation of being scavengers. They're actually not at all. Inside, so the butt circulates through them, and that helps the cattle to regulate its body temperature. They're also known as Watusi cattle. As you cute, if you take a look all the way towards the left behind all the palm trees, there is one laying down. And giraffes can get a stall from 18 to 20 days. They can spend the whole day eating, just walking around. They just live about 30. This one's are actually greater flamingos. They're also the lightest shade of pink. And the color of their feathers comes from their diet. These flamingos eat little tiny brine shrimp, which contains this thing called beta-carotene, and that's what makes their feathers pink. And flamingos sometimes will like to put more like a milky on down because that actually helps them to cool down their body. So these two are a mom with its baby. Doesn't look like it, but it is. So the one on the left is her 2-year-old baby rhino. And it's right there with mom. Now let's see if you can spot the girls on the left. They camouflage pretty well in this area. So there are 2 cheetahs in here. So all the way to the left, at the very end, there is one. Everybody can see it if you turn around close enough. You can see him facing this way. Just having a great time. So we can find some females around. And you can also see the you can see the male lion from this. They're hiding there. Kind of shady in there. And why they are actually really great climbers as well. They can be found pretty much everywhere, all around the world. They are originally from West Africa.
It's a hippo.
He's enormous. Look at him. He's a big fella.
Look at that dude. He's just chilling.
I don't know. He looks like.
Oh, he's coming up for air.
He said, "I'm not fake. Watch this."
Yeah? How can you not?
Do you see it?
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, that's been cool. Get him while he's like blowing the bubbles out of his nose. I wonder how long he's been under there. Look, there goes.
He's just chilling.
Muskrats.
Correct.
Hello! And zebra.
He's totally checking us out. He's like,
Nap time. Oh, is there a fly bothering you? Oh, these babies are so cute.
They can, like, they can act as a, at one point, the two boys, they had that, they're terrors. They're now with the Papa loves the baby. But the baby girl. The boys, it's his job to be strong. Is that the boy or no? She's a girl. All girls right now except for dad. So that's why he likes it. It's in our technically one of our masters on the other side is the father and the other master. But he doesn't have very many. He never did breed either. He was brought to us. He was like done breeding. So technically he's technically younger than this guy. But they're so you can decide if they're breeding now, they will have to if they're part of the survival species, that's what dictates. Yeah, it really depends.
What are the biggest differences here?
And it should be to July 13th. So at around 11, they're very slow to keep the baby. He's gonna tackle him. He's gonna get him by his neck. Oh, he's gonna tackle him. He predicts the tackle. He's different when he's fucking biting his head. He's gonna try it. He's getting put in a purple one. She's 4. No, 4.
2 and 4 years old.
Just keep wanting the small one. Oh, he's getting tackled. Oh, he just back up first. He's trying to tackle him. I'm gonna be tackling him.
Alright,
Alright, so we just came out of the gorilla trek and we saw all kinds of animals, and we wanted to get some ice waters before we went to the next thing. And we went up to the little booth out here to get some ice waters, and the kids were like, hey, we want ice cream, we want ice cream. We're like, no, not right now. And the two women there were like, hey, do you want to taste it? And they're like, yeah, I'll have a taste. They gave them like full cups. It's like already melted, but like that was super, super sweet of those cast members. They gave both of our kids some Dole Whip ice cream.
There was only one cast member.
There were two in there though.
Yeah.
Two ladies. Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
It's pineapple.
Yes. Pineapple Dole Whip. Super good.
Look at all the seeds, baby. The baby seed. Look at that. These are the same kind of seeds I got that look green.
Yeah, it's a bat. A giant bat.
If you want to just like put it in a box or something, put on gloves first. Because
Well, if you're away from home, but you didn't know where the animal shelter.
you know what a tiger does best? But they sleep. So they do that 18 hours a day. Which is my goal in life, so I'll do that. You got a big bone earlier, a lot of meat on it. So they try not to a little bit of meat coma.
So we're still here at Animal Kingdom. We're doing all the trails with all the animals today. We haven't even ridden any rides. I mean, go figure. We're at Animal Kingdom and looking at the animals. But they have these, this is now the second birding posting that we've done, and they have these charts that you can look through and find all the different types of birds. And Nadia loves doing it because it's like a scavenger hunt. She's got in her hand looking for the different types of birds. And we found so many so far. I love this one. It's like metallic starling. Oh yeah, Nadia, look up there.
It's this one.
Oh yeah, the pigeon?
Right, Bobby.
A pied imperial pigeon? That's pretty. It's got yellow on it.
It's a giant.
Yes. Can you tell what we're in line for now? It's a Bug's Life. This will be our first ride of the day. We have seen all of the animals in the park. We went through all of the animal trails. Had a great time, saw lots of animals, and now we're going to see some bugs. Cartoonish bugs. We are in line. It is a 10-minute wait for this ride. We passed by Everest. It was only a 15-minute wait. All right, so we got this delicious strudel Dole Whip. It is amazing. I am so excited to try it. It looks great. It looks just like vanilla ice cream, honestly. Not like Dole Whip. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's just vanilla ice cream. I mean, it's delicious. So it tastes like a pineapple upside down cake with like cinnamon sugar on top with some vanilla ice cream.
Ella, are you hungry?
I mean, it's delicious. All right, Ride number 2 and our last ride. We are, if you really want to call Bugs Life a ride, it's an attraction. But this is our way into the queue, outdoor queue anyways, for Flight of Passage. It's almost closing time. The park closes pretty early tonight at 7 p.m. So we're getting in line right before 7. It's probably like past 6:30. So, getting in queue. It was a 60-minute wait. Let's go on inside. Going right on inside the cave, not having to wait outside in this queue outdoors. So we'll see how long we actually wait. Love this ride. Line is moving pretty fast.
Almost. Yes, got him. Now, let's find you your avatar mansions. All right, you've all been matched with avatars.
We had a wonderful time at Animal Kingdom today. We saw so many animals today. We did the safari, we went on all the trails, we saw so many different animals. I had an absolutely wonderful time with our family today. We just got off a Flight of Passage, wonderful ride on that as well. And we also did a Bugs Life, which is always fun and cute. And now the park is closed. The park closed at 7 o'clock. It is almost 8 o'clock now. So it's at an hour wait for Flight of Passage, but we only waited like 33 minutes until we got to the show where they give us the avatar. So we had a great time. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more upcoming videos. And now it's your family time. Bye!